Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make some jalapeno poppers. First thing we do is cut the end off the pepper. Slice it down through the middle. And then clean the guts out. Like that. See, just the shell. Do this one too. Should have some music playing. Anyways, okay, now we're going to put some Philadelphia cream cheese in here. Next, put a piece of shrimp on it and then wrap it with thin bacon. And stab a toothpick in it. One shrimp. Piece of bacon. I use half lengths of bacon. You could use the whole length, but I use just enough to cover it. Then we stab it. Now there's two. I'm going to do the rest, then I'll show you what else I do. Okay, now to recap, we cut the jalapeno peppers lengthwise, added Philadelphia cream cheese, then put a shrimp on it, wrapped in bacon and a toothpick. Now we top it off with chipotle roasted garlic. Okay. Now they go in the oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Okay, it's been an hour in the oven at 350. There's what they look like. A little too hot to eat right now, but let them cool down. They will be delicious. Again, they don't look so hot, but they'll be good. They are good. Okay. TTFN, ta-ta for now.